Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off dialing keypad sound on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this you found this upfront informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung A54. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on sounds and vibration. Under sounds and vibration, scroll down, locate system sound, and then on the system sound page you see dialing keypad. To turn on dialing keypad sound on your Samsung A54, just toggle this on. And then this is going to enable or turn on dialing keypad sound. You see that? So let's just increase the volume. However, to disable the dialing keypad sound, repeat the same thing. Go to the system sound page and then disable dialing keypad. Now if you go ahead, open the keypad, delete everything, then you see the dialing keypad turned off. You see that? So that's how to turn on or turn off dialing keypad sound on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.